In this video you will learn how to create your first BPMN diagram in Adonis. Click on New to create a new model. Choose Business Process Diagram. First, give your model a name. To start your process diagram, select the Start event from the modeling bar and drag it to the canvas. Then, enter a name for the Start event that clearly indicates where the process begins. Smart Hover appears around your object to offer the most common modeling objects, which are most likely to follow next. A task usually follows the Start event. Add a couple of tasks and name them. A BPMN diagram should conclude with an end event. Smart Hover offers it, as it is quite likely to follow a task. Don't forget to save your model. Select the desired folder and click OK. And there you have it, your first BPMN model. Have a look at the Adonis online help for more information.